I'm Adrian, the Cruise and Travel Guy, and in this week's cruise news update, Princess Cruise is the cheapest they'll be right now, plus it reveals the magic behind its new venue called Spellbound. Carnival Freedom gets its whale tail back, and Holland America is set to increase the cost of its Have It All package. All that and more now. Princess Cruises continues to reveal more information about its brand new Sun Princess. The first ever Sphere-class ship will be the cruise line's biggest when she launches early next year, and in addition to her size, she's going to wow people with new features and attractions. Chief among them is a new experiential bar venue, and Princess has been teasing these details for months. Last week I made a video examining the clues, but now the cruise line has revealed the full experience. Spellbound by Magic Castle will, according to the press release, blend the world of magic with the art of mixology. Behind a nondescript door, passengers will meet the spirit of Isabella in the music room, before venturing through to the vintage parlor bar, featuring Artemis the Owl. In an intimate 30-seat theatre, guests will enjoy the work of magicians and skilled illusionists, plus of course they'll enjoy cocktails and mocktails, which are all part of the fun. More information, including pricing, will be released soon. Sticking with the Sea Witch logoed cruise line, Princess has unveiled another partnership with a celebrity foodie. This time, famed Italian butcher Dario, who featured on Netflix's Chef's Table. Located on Deck 9 of Sun Princess, Butcher's Block by Dario features a shared family-style table serving up perfectly prepared beef and steak, including the butcher's signature cuts. Additionally, Cecchini-designed menu items will appear in Crown Grill, Princess's highly regarded specialty steakhouse. Holland America revealed to its trade partners that on November 10th, the cost of its Have It All package, which provides guests with included specialty dining, complimentary internet, and a Shore Excursions credit plus beverages, will be increasing in cost by $10 Australian per person per day to $75 Australian. Guests can pre-book the Have It All package before November 10th to lock it in at the lower rate. Carnival Freedom will once again sport the cruise line's iconic whale tail funnel when the ship emerges from dry dock in several days' time. The vessel suffered a fire inside the ship's funnel in May 2022 while it was docking in the Caribbean, and had been getting around with a modified version ever since. Now the return of its whale tail means that Australia's own Carnival Luminosa returns as the only ship within the Carnival fleet to not feature the iconic funnel design. Princess Cruises says the days of deep last-minute discounts are gone and you should not expect them to return. The cruise line says that pricing for its 2024 and 25 cruises are the lowest they'll be right now, and that they'll only increase as the date of departure nears. Terry Thornton, Chief Commercial Officer for Princess Cruises, says this pricing model is a reward for their guests that like to lock in their holidays early, and encourages all prospective cruisers to do the same if they want to lock in a rate before they inevitably rise. Finally this week, the Australian summer cruise season is well and truly upon us, with Grand Princess, Brilliance of the Seas and Royal Princess all arriving in Sydney within the next few days. Celebrity Solstice stopped in for a visit on her way to Singapore yesterday, and Disney Wonder will arrive in Sydney for the cruise line's Australian debut late next week. According to figures released by Clear, the Australian cruise industry generated over $5.5 billion and supported 20,000 jobs in the financial year ending 2023. That figure is only expected to rise as Australia's first full and proper summer cruise season in 4 years kicks off. Well, that's it for this week's cruise news update. Let me know in the comments, what is your summer cruise schedule looking like? And if you're ready to book a cruise, you can head to my website, thecruiseandtravelguy.com.au. And if you haven't done so already, you can give me a follow on Facebook and Instagram at thecruiseandtravelguy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Chief among them is a new experiential bar venue. Princess has been teasing things about it. Chief among them is a new experiential bar venue. Princess Cruises has been teasing. Princess has been teasing details for months, and I made a video last week going into those details. I just said details twice? Sticking with the Sea Witch. What? Additionally, Cecchini. That doesn't sound right. According to figures released by Clear, the Australian cruise industry between the
so high.